हेलो गाइस, आज मैं ट्राई करूंगा कॉफी आर्ट। बेसिकली मैं अपने आर्ट में कॉफी स्पिल करूंगा।
क्या बोला तूने?
हाँ, कॉफी स्पिल करूंगा। ऑल्सो चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। नाउ एंजॉय द वीडियो। मैं इसको काफी लाइटली स्केच करूंगा। ऑल्सो कमेंट करो ये गोकू का कौन सा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है।
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.
Now that I have done the basic sketching, मैं इसकी लाइंस को और शार्प बना रहा हूँ।
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job.
Okay guys, sketching खत्म हो गई, अब इस पे कॉफी स्पिल करने का वक्त आ गया।
Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money make sure you don't spend it too soon.
गाइस, अभी ये कॉफी गिराते वक्त मेरे को बड़ा दुख हो रहा है, पर कोई नहीं,
सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा।
अब जल्दी से ये टिश्यू से निकाल देता हूँ एक्सेस कॉफी, वरना मम्मी मारेगी मुझे। इंकिंग के लिए मैं STA का पिगमेंट लाइनर यूज करूंगा। ये मैंने अमेज़न से लिया था।
Could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be.
और हाँ, मैं ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक अपने डिस्क्रिप्शंस में दूंगा, तो आप वो चेकआउट कर सकते हैं।
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
ओके गाइस, लेट्स स्टार्ट द कलरिंग। कलरिंग के लिए मैं यहाँ यूज कर रहा हूँ अल्कोहल मार्कर्स और कलर पेंसिल्स। मैं यहाँ कलर पेंसिल्स का यूज करूंगा ब्लेंड करने के लिए।
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silently it could build and build until you finally.
Guys, अगली ड्राइंग क्या करूँ कमेंट करो जल्दी जल्दी।
Moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me.
अगर अभी तक वीडियो देख रहे हो तो भाई सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो, बड़ा मोटिवेशन मिलता है।
Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good.
और बैकग्राउंड में मैं गोकू का ऑरा बनाऊंगा।
I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me.
ओके गाइस, कॉफी आर्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है। जल्दी से कमेंट करो और बताओ आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me.
And I'll see you guys in the next video.
I've been feeling weird,